Students, welcome to the class on active methylene compounds. Today I wish to discuss about the preparation of an active methylene compound acetoacetic ester. This is the structure of acetoacetic ester, that is CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OC2, H5. Then I am going to discuss the preparation by Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation is a type of reaction in which two molecules of ester containing alpha hydrogen reacts in the presence of a base to give beta ketoester. That is, the base catalyzed condensation of two molecules of ester containing alpha hydrogen to give the beta ketoester. The two molecules of ester may be same or different. That is, two same molecules of ester react to give the beta ketoester, or two different molecules of ester react to give the beta ketoester. Only the condition is the essential condition is that the ester should contain an alpha hydrogen atom. What is an alpha hydrogen atom? Alpha hydrogen atom is a hydrogen atom that is attached to a alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen means the hydrogen next to the C double bond O or ester group. So this is the ester group, that is the next nearest carbon atom is known as the alpha hydrogen. In this compound it has two alpha hydrogen atom, so it gives the Claisen condensation. Then consider this compound. This is also an ester, but it does not contain an alpha hydrogen. At alpha carbon there are two CH3 groups instead of hydrogen, so it doesn't have an alpha hydrogen and it does not give the Claisen condensation. Next, preparation of acetoacetic ester by Claisen condensation. In this reaction, two molecules of ethyl acetate, that is ethyl acetate, react or treated with a strong base such as sodium ethoxide in ethanol, followed by acid hydrolysis gives the acetoacetic ester. Acetoacetic ester, that is two molecules of or ethyl acetate. In this reaction, it is the ethyl acetate is treated with a strong base like sodium ethoxide in ethanol, and then followed by acid hydrolysis gives a molecule of acetoacetic ester. In this reaction, two molecules of ethyl acetate is react to give one molecule of acetoacetic ester. It is a Claisen condensation because it has three alpha hydrogen, that is it is the alpha carbon, it is an ester with three alpha hydrogen, so it undergoes Claisen condensation and it gives the acetoacetic ester. Then next we want to discuss the mechanism of this Claisen condensation. It is very important. Then we can check the mechanism of the reaction. Now we can check the mechanism of the Claisen condensation. In this mechanism, first one molecule of ethyl acetate, that is CH3COO, C2H5, that is one molecule of ethyl acetate, that is first molecule. First molecule of ethyl acetate react with the base O minus C2H5. This base abstract the hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. This is the alpha carbon atom, this is alpha hydrogen. This base O minus C2H5, that is ethoxide ion. Ethoxide ion. Ethoxide ion abstract this alpha hydrogen, and at the same time this carbon hydrogen bonded electron shifted to the carbon atom and form CH2 minus C double bond O C2H5. This is the enolate anion. Enolate anion plus we can get ethanol, that is C2H5OH plus CH2 minus C double bond O or C2H5. This is the first step of the mechanism. That is, in this step, the ethoxide ion abstract a alpha hydrogen atom from one molecule of the ester ethyl acetate and form an enolate anion and a C2H5OH ethanol. This enolate anion acts as a nucleophile due to the presence of a negative charge here. It is act as a nucleophile. In the second step of the reaction, the enolate ion formed in the first step react as a nucleophile. It attacks the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule of the ester. This is the second molecule of the ester. That is, this due to this presence of C double bond O, this carbonyl carbon is become positive. So this enolate anion attacks the carbonyl carbon, and at the same time this pi electrons shifted towards the oxygen, and we can get an intermediate, that is CH3 CO minus OC2H5 CH2 C double bond O OC2H5. That is this part. This is the part from the first molecule of ester. This is the part from second molecule of ester. That is the enolate anion. That is the alpha carbon of the first molecule of ester is bonded to the carbonyl carbon of the second ester molecule and get an intermediate. Then the third step. In the third step of the reaction, this intermediate release or remove an OC2H5, that is an ethoxide ion, because this reaction is taking place, the second step of the reaction taking place in the presence of an acid. So in the presence of an acid, this OC2H5 minus is released as this group OC2H5 is released as an OC2H5 minus. This electron shifted to the come back to the carbon and oxygen, between the carbon and oxygen. At the same time, this OC2H5 group is released as OC2H5 minus, and we can get CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O OC2H5 plus OC2H5 minus, that is ethoxide ion. This is our product acetic ester. This is the mechanism of the Claisen condensation. It is an important reaction. So this involves three steps. First step, the ethoxide ion attack the alpha carbon atom of the first molecule of ester and abstract a hydrogen, and we can get an enolate anion. This enolate anion act as a nucleophile and attack the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule of ester, and we can get an intermediate, and then the intermediate release an OC2H5 species and get the final product. This final product, that is the acetoacetic ester, it is an active methylene compound, so it exists as in its it is an equilibrium. The mixture is contains both the enolate and keto form and enol form. It is the reaction mixture contains both the keto form and enol form of the compound. Okay students, now we can stop here. Then next class we have to discuss the reactions or chemical reactions of the acetoacetic ester. Thank you.